Welcome to our guide on installing the Kingston's Protect Safety Check Valve fitting for the model SVAF34MF. Before we begin, ensure that your shutoff valves and supply line are compatible with the 9/16 male outlet and 9/16 female inlet of the safety check valve fitting. You will need an adjustable plier for this installation. Warning: improper installation may lead to water damage. Please ensure installation is performed by a licensed professional. Begin by completely turning off the water shutoff valve. Loosen shutoff valve with adjustable plier. Then disconnect it from the supply line. Thread the safety check valve fitting onto the water shutoff valve. Hand tighten the water supply hose onto the fitting end. Then use plier to tighten it with an additional quarter turn. Now, slowly turn on the water shutoff valves and check for any leaks.